What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler with Taz Outdoors. Today's video, we headed out to San Diego and we camped out there hoping to hit La Jolla, but the weather didn't really help us out. So we ended up at San Diego Bay trying to catch some food for dinner. Hope you enjoyed the video. Ooh. Give me the fucking measuring tape. Remember when you were like, no, don't fucking... Yeah, that's gonna be...
That's a Sculpin, right?
Nah, that's a bass. He's keeper. Woo! He's eatable. We'll take it. Oh, kill it! Legal. Legal. Oh, it's fucking torched. I brought it for a sabiki reel. Don't matter. Don't matter though. Oh no, a fucking big one tried to eat it. God. Nah, bro, like a 6-pounder tried to eat this. Huh. This could have been a spotty. Yeah. Feels like a Sculpin, dude. Big Sculpin. Big Sculpin, baby. Oh, fuck yeah. Woo! All right, so down at the lake, we got royally skunked. So we ended up just making some fish and chips, but it was too dark to get good video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.